Introducing London Estate, a home designed around intelligent living. From the very first steps, the lighting welcomes you. A finely crafted Lutron system. In the garage, a rotating turntable presents each car with quiet sophistication, creating a gallery-like showcase. The entertainment suite features a private bowling alley, complete with a projection screen for an effortlessly relaxed experience. The billiard room blends seamlessly into the home-wide audio and video system. The cinema delivers a truly immersive escape, Dolby Atmos sound, 4K clarity, and luxurious bespoke seating. Even the gym is fully integrated. The wellness spaces include indoor and outdoor pools, sauna, and steam room. The wine cellar offers carefully balanced temperature and humidity. Across 4 levels, the home opens into elegant living areas, a quiet study, and beautifully lit spaces, all seamlessly brought together by the smart home system. With Savant, every scene and every mood is orchestrated effortlessly, delivering comfort, control, and complete refinement at every touchpoint. From lighting and audio to full home control, we create systems that blend perfectly into your lifestyle. Technology that feels effortless, intuitive, and beautifully tailored.